Primally Pure just launched a new product. It is their Sun Serum Tinted SPF 30. I have it in the shade Tan. I figured it would be helpful if I do a little demo and also let you guys know my initial thoughts. Let's get right into this. This is a mineral-based sunscreen, so it doesn't have any chemical filters in here, which is great. And if you're familiar with Primally Pure, you know that they are very conscious about the ingredients that they use to make sure that they are clean. I know everybody's definition of clean is different, but all of their ingredients are just very straightforward, easy to read, easy to understand. You just very clearly know what each ingredient is, so that's really great. So they say that this is your morning routine, simplified and backed by clinical claims, skincare, sun care, and tint all in one. A 100% mineral, skin-nourishing tinted SPF 30, formulated without petroleum derivatives, synthetic dyes, PFAS, fragrance, and chemical sunscreen filters. It uses zinc oxide, 25% for the sun protection. And then as far as the ingredients go, I'm just gonna read them really quickly. So there's caprylic, capric triglyceride, organic beeswax, tallow from 100% grass-fed cows, castor oil, organic jojoba oil, organic mango butter, green algae extract, astaxanthin, bakuchi oil, organic borage seed oil, organic camellia seed oil, organic sea buckthorn seed oil, organic moringa seed oil, piranha seed extract, organic raspberry seed oil, kakadu plum seed oil, tocopherol, and iron oxide. So those are all of the ingredients in the sun serum. Again, this is a SPF 30. So here is what the packaging looks like. Looks very sleek. So it just pops off and then you have a little pump. So this is the shade Tan. It definitely feels like it's a thicker type of sunscreen. I think this is the lightest shade that they have, but this looks actually pretty dark. So we're gonna see how this blends into the skin. But definitely looks kind of dark right off the bat. Maybe I didn't get the lightest shade. I feel like this shade is not gonna look right on my skin. It's gonna look really dark. So definitely has a thicker texture going on. This is way too dark of a shade for me. Oh my goodness. Okay, now I need to check if they have another shade because this is not gonna work for people with my skin tone. It is so dark. I look like an Oompa Loompa. But as far as the formula goes, it's going on actually really nice and smooth. I feel like it looks really nice on the skin besides the fact that I look orange right now. But like it looks like my skin, it looks like seamless. It almost has like this like soft feeling. It almost feels like it has like silicones in it, but obviously it doesn't. But it makes my skin feel nice and soft. But oh man, this color is not it for me at all. That color is just not it. Oh my goodness. That is so dark on me. Crazy. Wait, am I crazy or is it actually kind of looking normal now? Or does this still just look so wrong? But let's just talk about the formula. As far as how it feels, honestly, now it just feels like my skin. It doesn't even look like I have a product on. Besides that, obviously my skin's a bit tanner, but like it just feels like soft and comfortable. It doesn't feel heavy. It feels nice and lightweight. It almost has like a velvety feel to it. Definitely just looks like my skin, which I'm actually surprised by because I thought that this was going to be super thick because this does have tallow. Tallow is normally really thick, which this is a thicker moisturizer going on. But as far as how it feels on my skin now, it does not feel heavy. It does not feel like my skin's gonna be all oily. I have combination skin and yeah, I don't know, it just feels really comfortable on the skin. It doesn't feel drying, but it also doesn't feel extremely moisturizing either. It just feels like somewhere in between. My skin just feels nice and comfortable. I feel like I would really like this if the shade was maybe a little bit lighter. If they had a lighter shade, I feel like I would like it even more, but I actually really like the formula of it. It feels really nice. It looks nice. It just looks like my skin with a little bit of a tint. Yeah, definitely just the color. It just looks like the completely wrong shade. Yeah, I like the formula of it. I think it actually looks really nice. Yeah, and the ingredients, I really am a fan of the ingredients. Super simple. I like that it's only using the zinc oxide for the sun protection. There's no need for even titanium dioxide in it. So that's great. As far as the formula goes, I really like how this feels on the skin. It feels really nice and soft on the skin. My skin doesn't feel like it has an overly heavy sunscreen on it, but my skin just feels nice and comfortable. Also, if you're seeing a little bit of patchiness, that's not this product. I have like a dry skin situation going on right there, so don't think that like patchy looking spot, don't think that it's from this product. It's not. But anyway, I really like how this feels on the skin, and I could definitely see this be one that I reach for a lot, especially because I really like the ingredients in this. I feel like all just very clean, simple ingredients. I just really like how it feels on my skin, and it's gonna give sun protection with just the zinc oxide for the sun protection. I think that's awesome. So this is definitely one that I would say I would recommend. However, maybe if you don't think that any of the shades will work for you, I think there might only be 2 shades right now. Yeah, maybe if they were to come out with a lighter shade, then I would say I would recommend it even more. But initially, I do really like how this feels on the skin. If you are interested in just checking it out, I will have a link listed below so you can easily find it. And if I can get a discount for you as well, I'll put that in the description as well. Let me know what you guys think about this sun serum. Let me know if it looks like something that you would want to try. But I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you're new here and you're not already subscribed and you want to see even more content from my channel, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you tune in for my next video.